Hello everyone. So here is the 20th question of problems on train. Two trains of same length take 6 seconds and 9 seconds respectively to cross a pole. If both trains are running in same direction, then how long will it take to cross each other? Option A 30 seconds, option B 36, option C 40, option D 42 seconds, option E none of this. Here there are two trains. Think train A and train B. Okay, here there are two trains. Think train A and train B of same length. Okay, two trains of same length. Think train A length is x, then train B length is also x, right? Because two trains are of same length. If both trains are running in the same direction, okay, both trains are running in the same direction, then how long will it take to cross each other? Time is given 6 seconds and 9 seconds to cross each other. Okay, train A takes 6 seconds and train B takes 9 seconds to cross each other. If both trains are running in the same direction, then how long it take to cross each other? If you get the question in which that both trains have same length and their timings are given to cross each other, train 1 time and train 2 time is given, and we are asked to find the time when they cross each other, then we have the formula 2t1 t2 by t2 minus t1. This is the formula to find the trains to cross each other, time taken by the trains to cross each other. Here t1 is 6, t2 is 9. Substitute. After substituting, calculation 3 ones, 3 twos, 4 9, 36 seconds. Option B. 21st question. Two trains are running 40 km per hour and 20 km per hour respectively in the same direction. Two trains are running with 40 km per hour and 20 km per hour respectively in the same direction. The first train, this is the first train, right, completely passes a man sitting in the slow train. Here a man is sitting in the slow train. This is fast train, this is slow train. A man is sitting in the slow train. So this is the fast train. Fast train crosses a man sitting in the slow train in 5 seconds. Clear? The fast train crosses a man sitting in the slow train in 5 seconds. Then the length of the fast train is, I need to find the length of the fast train. Okay, before starting this, I'll tell you one concept. If a man sitting in any train, then the length of the train becomes 0. If a man is sitting in any train, then the length of the train becomes 0. Clear? You need to remember that. Okay. Now, length of both trains. Length of the fast train is x. Length of the slow train becomes 0 because a man is sitting in the slow train. Then the length of the train becomes 0. Clear? Okay. Then the trains are moving in the same direction. So the relative speed is subtracted, right? 40 minus 20. Why we are subtracting? Because both trains are moving in the same direction. If they are moving in the opposite direction, we need to add their speeds. Clear? But this 40 minus 20, so 40 and 20 speeds are given in kilometer per hour. Okay, they cross each other in 5 seconds, right? In 5 seconds they cross each other in 5 seconds. x plus 0 is x, 40 minus 20 is 20. I need to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. So multiply by 5 by 18 is equals to 5. X is equals to, take this for calculation, 2 into 5 by 18, 2 nines, 2 tens, clear? 50, 250 by 9 divided 9 twos are 18, then 70, 9 sevens are 63, 7, 27, 7 by 9. Option C. You should learn the calculations. 22. Two trains of same length are running in parallel tracks in opposite direction with the speed 65 km per hour and 85 km per hour respectively. They cross each other in 6 seconds. The length of each train is option A 100 meter, option B 115 meter, option C 125 meter, option D 150 meter. Here two trains of same length. Think these are two tracks. Okay, these are two tracks, parallel tracks. Okay, two trains of same length are running in parallel tracks in opposite directions. Okay, train A is moving in this direction on this track, and train B is moving in opposite direction on this track. Okay, think train A, train B. Train A is moving with 65 km per hour and train B is moving with 85 km per hour. They cross each other in 6 seconds. Both trains' length is same, that is x. Anything you can take, x or y or anything, any letter you can take. Now they cross each other in 6 seconds. The length of each train is, both are moving in opposite directions and the length is given x. Both trains have same length, so x plus x, speed is distance by time, right? Distance is length of train A and length of train B, x plus x. Both are moving in opposite direction, so their speeds need to be added. 65 plus 85 km per hour. They cross each other in 6 seconds. X plus x is 2x. 65 plus 85, 150 km per hour. To convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, I need to multiply by 5 by 18 is equals to 6. 2x is equals to 6 into 150 into 5 by 18. Observe the calculations. 3 6 are, 3 5 are, 2 3 are, then 2 3 are, 3 3 get cancelled. 50 into 50 5, 250. 2x is equals to 250. Now x is 250 by 2. 2 ones, 2 twos are, 2 fives are. So length of each train is 125 meter. Clear? Next 23. A train A of length 180 meter running by 72 km per hour crosses the another train B which is running in the opposite direction at speed of 108 km per hour and the length is 120 meter. In how much time do they cross? Option A 23 seconds, option B 12 seconds, option C 6 seconds, option D 30 seconds. Train A of length 180 meter running at 72 km per hour crosses another train which is running in opposite direction. Okay, opposite direction, and the length of the train is given, that is 120 meter. It is running in 108 km per hour speed and they cross each other in time is not given. Speed is given, both the train's length is also given. We need to find time. Okay, this we need to find, right? Yes. Speeds. Distance is added. Length of train A is 180 meter and length of train B is 120 meter. So their lengths are to be added. Now they both are moving in same opposite direction. So their speed set added. 72 plus 108 kilometer per hour. We need to find time. 180 plus 120. 300 is the distance. When you add, you will get 180. To convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, I need to multiply by 5 by 18. 300 by 50. Time is 6 seconds. Option C.